When you search for Honda Civic Battery Reset and Replacement guides, everything looks the same. Same instructions, same parts, same vague claims. But the real differences are often buried deeper, and if you want your Honda to run smoothly, you need to know what actually works.
Product number 1, UCrotor Battery Current Sensor. The UCrotor Battery Current Sensor is a crucial piece for keeping your Honda's electrical system in check, priced at $28.99. What caught my eye is how it continuously monitors the battery's charge and discharge, feeding real-time data to your vehicle's ECU. If you want to ensure your battery is always performing at its best, this is worth a serious look. This sensor accurately measures current flow, which means your car's computer can manage its electrical system effectively. For example, if your battery is about to fail, this sensor will alert the ECU, helping you avoid unexpected breakdowns. With over 100 units sold in the past month, there's clearly a demand, showing that many Honda owners trust this product. Now, some reviewers mentioned installation can be tricky, especially if you're not handy with car repairs. But here's the thing. Once installed correctly, this sensor can save you from bigger electrical issues down the line, making it well worth a little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking to maintain your Honda's battery health without frequent trips to the mechanic. Skip this one if you prefer plug-and-play solutions and aren't comfortable with DIY installations. Now, if the installation aspect bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, EDS Positive Battery Terminal. The EDS 926607 Positive Battery Terminal caught my attention for its straightforward design and affordable price of $16.45. This little part is often overlooked, but if you want to ensure a solid connection for your battery, this is worth a serious look. With this terminal, you can replace worn-out or corroded battery connections that can lead to starting issues or poor electrical performance. The included nut ensures a secure fit, which matters greatly for consistent power delivery to your Honda's electrical system. Given its compatibility with various Honda and Acura models, it's clear that this product is designed to fit seamlessly into your setup. Now, some users mentioned that the quality felt a bit cheaper than OEM parts, but honestly, for the price, it does the job exceptionally well. If you're on a budget but still need reliable performance, this could be the perfect fit for you. This is perfect for you if you need a quick and cost-effective solution for your battery connections. Skip this one if you're looking for premium, high-end parts that come with a higher price tag. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for comprehensive diagnostics.
Product number 3, OBDM M707 Scanner. The OBDM M707 is a full systems diagnostic tool priced at $109.99, and it's truly a lifesaver for Honda and Acura owners. What drew me in is its ability to not only diagnose issues, but also reset battery systems, which is crucial during battery replacement. This scanner connects directly to your vehicle's OBD2 port and can run through a full range of diagnostic tests. Whether you need to check engine codes or reset the battery management system after a replacement, this tool has got you covered. With 15 reset services and lifetime updates, it's built to evolve with your car's needs. It's a bit of an investment, but if you consider that many diagnostic services can cost upwards of $100, this tool pays for itself pretty quickly. Now, some people found the user interface a bit complex at first, but here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the amount of information it provides is invaluable. Plus, think of the peace of mind you'll get from diagnosing problems before they escalate. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast and want to take control of your vehicle's health. Skip this one if you prefer simpler, more straightforward solutions without the bells and whistles. Now, if advanced diagnostics aren't your thing, this next product offers a straightforward solution for battery monitoring.
Product number 4, 38920 TBA A02 Negative Battery Cable Sensor. The 38920 TBA A02 Negative Battery Cable Sensor is another essential component, priced at $32.39. I was intrigued by its compatibility with newer Honda models, and if you're looking to maintain optimal battery performance, this is worth a serious look. This sensor helps monitor the battery's current and communicates with your vehicle's ECU, just like the UCrotor model. It ensures your battery is functioning correctly, which ultimately leads to better fuel efficiency and longer battery life. The fact that it replaces the original part number means it's designed specifically for your Honda, ensuring reliability. Now, some reviews pointed out that it can sometimes fail prematurely. Here's the thing though, If you keep an eye on your battery's health and replace it at the first sign of trouble, this sensor can significantly enhance your vehicle's electrical performance. This is perfect for you if you own a newer Honda and want to ensure your electrical system is in top shape. Skip this one if you're unsure about DIY installations and prefer professional help. Lastly, if you're looking for a reliable alternative sensor, the next product might be just what you need.
Product number 5, 38920 TBA A02 Battery Current Sensor. The 38920 TBA A02 Battery Current Sensor is another highly compatible option, priced at $32.99. What caught my attention is its promise of real-time monitoring, which is crucial for maintaining battery health. If you want to avoid costly battery failures, this is worth a serious look. This sensor provides continuous feedback on your battery status, allowing your vehicle's ECU to adjust power as needed. It's designed to replace specific OEM parts, ensuring a perfect fit. The ability to monitor battery health in real time is a game changer. No more unexpected breakdowns or dead batteries when you need your car most. However, some users reported issues with accuracy after a few months. But honestly, if you install it correctly and keep your connections clean, it should serve you well for a long time. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable sensor that doesn't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer going with OEM parts for peace of mind over cost. To wrap things up, these 5 products each offer unique solutions to common battery issues in Honda Civics and similar models. Whether you're looking for a simple terminal replacement, a diagnostic tool, or a current sensor, there's something here that can meet your needs. We've got the UCTOR Battery Current Sensor for monitoring currents, the EDS Positive Battery Terminal as a budget-friendly connection fix, the OBD M-Mate OM707 for thorough diagnostics, the 38920 TBA A02 negative battery cable sensor for newer models, and finally, the alternative 38920 TBA A02 battery current sensor for real-time monitoring. Each has its strengths, so consider what your Honda needs most, and you'll be set for smooth driving ahead.